Good afternoon, everyone. Friday afternoon, I'd say just about 3 o'clock, maybe. Anyways, so I've been going around getting all the boards as I'm picking up and cleaning out the building that are like they're not quite an 8-inch or they're a 9 and need to be cut down to an 8, and sorting them and stacking them over there by the little trailer on the other side of the building. Some of you don't know, I'm cleaning the building back out to stick all my shit back in it again. Kids' dirt bikes and snowmobiles, and just would like to try to get all that stuff in one spot, get my garage back. So, but anyway, so about a week ago, a guy, well, it's a repeat customer, wanted a 1 by 15 by 10 foot, 2 of them. And I was about to make them. I had that log up here that I ended up making 6 by 6 beams out of. I had to make 2 for the tree guys, which they never showed up and got. But anyways, I forgot to make his 2 boards. Well, then another day or 2 went by. He called me back and said that a 12 would work. So then I was about to make 12 out of a smaller log I had laying here, and right before I did it, he ended up calling me back and saying he needed 15 again. So anyways, well then I didn't have that 10-foot log anymore, so I called him today and asked him if 5-footers would work, and he said yep, because he planned on cutting them anyways. So that's what we got going on here. That's like 5'6". We're gonna make a 1 by 15 by 5'6". So, and then the logs we got from Jason's, a few decent ones. I don't know if there's 1,000 board foot here or not, because small logs with a small end, like one log was only a 12-inch log at the small end. I think 8 foot long is only like 32 board foot. Oh, that was just like that one there. So, and then we have this issue. So this was the last tree. That's the 12-footer. This is the 8'6". God, how could I cut it that perfect right through the metal there? So I hope the metal is in the 12-footer and not in the 8'6", because I don't really want to have to cut that any smaller. You know, I have to cut that any smaller, it'll just be mantle wood, I guess. Because I don't know, I used to sell a lot of this shorter oak, but it seems like after I bragged about selling a lot of shorter oak, I haven't sold none in almost a year. This was that one that I had the truck backed up to in the video when you seen me over at Jason's. Got 2 decent logs out of it. I mean, rot right there, but I'll skin some off the sides. And then this one here is just above the 12-footer. When it came down, it had such a Y, which it went backwards perfect with just a rope set at that first crotch. But it ended up putting a big split, and that was the other 8. That would have been the other 8-footer above the 12-footer. So there wasn't that other sliver there, and it wasn't worth taking. I figure that there, you get a couple boards out of it and whatever. So, all right, well, we'll get over here and mow this log down. That ground. Alright everyone, well, I made some decent boards. That one will probably be worth that crap, but the rest of these will do. He only needed 4. There's like 7 of them there, and then I finished it out in 2x4s. So what I've been doing is I got quite a stack of them over there in the building, I noticed. So I figured I got all these little 4-foot chunks around here. I got a couple over there, one there, one on the other side of that pile, a few there. I'm just gonna turn those into wide 1x stuff, maybe 2-inch, and then 2x4s, little 4-foot 2x4s. You know, like I said before, and maybe not in this video, but a lot of people will buy a 10-footer to cut it in half. Yep, in this video. So I figured why not just have 4-footers there available for that lady that shows up in her little Honda. Oh. Alright everyone, we got storms rolling in. I've been working on that building a little more today. I didn't want to just pull everything out and throw it in heaps, because I have enough heaps of everything laying around. So I'm actually trying to sort this stuff and put it in order. So that's why it's taking a little bit longer. But alright everyone, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.